How to change currency on Skyscanner. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can change currency on Skyscanner. So in order to change currency on Skyscanner, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up or log in into your Skyscanner account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, click on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, it's going to direct you to the profile page. Here, scroll down a bit, you can see manage your account. Under it, select settings. After that, it's going to take you to settings page. Here you can see currency, and currently my currency type is Nepali rupees. So if you want to change it, click on the arrow icon right in the corner, and here you can see you have a multiple options, and accordingly you can change the currency. So in order to change the currency, tap on the particular country or the particular currency that you wish to apply and tap on the save button. Accordingly, the price range will also be shown on your booking and on booking and all that. So that's how you can change currency on Skyscanner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.